Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this error in Battlefield 6 which says this software cannot be used at the same time as the game. So to solve this error, the only thing you need to do is to just open your browser and search Interception GitHub and just click on the first site. Now here if you scroll, you're gonna see this option, download the latest release. So just click on that. Now click on interception.zip. Once the file is downloaded, just go and open the folder where you have downloaded the file and extract it. Once the file is extracted, go and type in the search bar cmd. Hit right click on command prompt and just select this option, run as administrator. In the command prompt, the first command we're gonna type is this one. So you have to type this command as it is just here and hit enter. Once you do that, the second command we're gonna type is this one right here. So just type this as it is, which is install-interception.exe space /uninstall. Hit enter again, and once you do that, you can just close everything, click on your Windows icon and just restart your PC. Once your PC restart, just go and launch your Battlefield 6. Your problem should be gone now. And yeah, that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.